Now let's explore how to delete users. To delete a user, begin by creating a new HTTP request named delete user with the delete method. In the URL include https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/user/user ID. Let's replace user ID with the actual ID, the user we want to delete. In the header section include authorization with barrier followed by your token. If you are unsure how to create a new token, I explained this process in video titled How to Create a Post API for Access Token. You can find the link in the video description below. Upon executing, you will receive a response with status code 204, indicating that the user has been successfully deleted. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave any question or feedback in the comment below.